Hi, I'm Shivani. Welcome to my channel. Here's a quick revision of subject verb concord or subject verb agreement. मतलब सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब के बीच में एक अग्रीमेंट होना चाहिए, एक तालमेल होना चाहिए, एक सहमति होनी चाहिए. So look at this sentence. She are an intelligent girl. What do you think about this sentence? Is it correct? No, because she is a singular subject and verb is a plural verb. तो singular subject के साथ singular verb होना चाहिए, plural verb नहीं होना चाहिए. So it should be she is an intelligent girl. Is a singular verb. Now the sentence is correct. Now there is a long list of rules for this. So let's find out what they are. For that, let's do some exercises. तो जैसे ही हम exercise करेंगे, उसके साथ साथ हम rules भी discuss करेंगे. He dash to his school by bus. Go or goes? So the correct option is goes. He is a singular subject and goes is a singular verb. Right? Singular subject takes singular verbs and singular verbs have an S added to them. Right? The boys dash football, play or plays. The boys, it's a plural subject, so it will take a plural verb. So the plural verb over here is play. Plays is a singular verb. तो वर्ब के साथ जब एस ऐड करते हैं तो वो सिंगुलर वर्ब होता है. नाउ लुक एट दिस वन. जैक एंड जिल डैश इन द सेम ग्रेड. तो यहाँ एक सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, दो सब्जेक्ट हैं एंड दे आर एडेड बाय एंड से दोनों को ऐड किया गया है. कंजंक्शन क्या है? एंड. तो यहाँ क्या यूज़ होगा? जैक एंड जिल are in the same grade or is in the same grade. So the correct option is are. So the rule is when two or more singular subjects are joined together with and, the verb used is usually plural. So दो या दो से ज़्यादा singular subject जब and के साथ जोड़े जाते हैं तो वर्ब जो यूज़ होता है वो प्लूरल होता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट. माई फ्रेंड एंड गाइड इज़ हियर. इफ टू सिंगुलर नाउन्स आर जॉइंड बाय एंड रेफर टू द सेम पर्सन देन द वर्ब मस्ट बी सिंगुलर. अब दो नाउन्स हैं पर वो एक ही पर्सन के बारे में बता रहे हैं. माई फ्रेंड एंड गाइड. जो मेरा फ्रेंड है वो मेरा गाइड भी है. सो ही और शी इज़ द सेम पर्सन. दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव यूज्ड इज़ एज द वर्ब. तो वर्ब क्या है यहाँ पे? इज़. तो अब नेक्स्ट वाला देखते हैं. द राइटर एंड एक्टर डैश फेलिसिटेटेड. सो द राइटर एंड एक्टर वॉज फेलिसिटेटेड. तो यहाँ भी हम एक ही व्यक्ति की बात कर रहे हैं. जो राइटर है वही एक्टर भी है. द राइटर एंड एक्टर, दे आर द सेम पर्सन. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम पर्सन. दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव यूज्ड अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. नाउ हाउ डू वी नो दैट दे आर द सेम पर्सन? बिकॉज द आर्टिकल द इज यूज्ड ओनली once. So when we use the article the just once, that means we are referring to the same person. Now, here we have used the in front of the writer. We have not used the in front of the word actor. That means we are talking about the same person. Now, look at this sentence. Look at this sentence now. The writer and the actor dash felicitated. Was or were? Here we are going to use were because we are talking about two persons. One is a writer and the other is an actor. So how do we know that? Because we have used the article the twice in front of the writer and in front of the actor. The writer and the actor. That means we are talking about two different persons. That is why we have used a plural verb. Now next, either Ashok or Anil dash the culprit. So here we are going to use is. When two singular subjects are joined by either, neither, or, nor, they take a singular verb. So either Ashok or Anil, दोनों में से कोई कल्प्रिट है. कल्प्रिट मतलब गुनहगार है. तो एक है, दोनों में से एक है. That is why we have used a singular verb. Next, Sheila or her friends dash busy writing the script. Now what should we use here? Are. Sheila or her friends are busy writing the script. The subjects are joined by or nor, are not of the same number, then the verb is used according to the number of the subject near it. जब दो subjects हैं and they are not of the same number, एक singular है दूसरा plural है, तो हम verb कौन सा verb use करते हैं? हम जो subject verb के पास है उसके हिसाब से verb use करते हैं. Because for example, here we have used her friends. Her friends is plural. So we have used a plural verb. So we use the verb according to the subject which is near to the verb. Next, neither Sheila nor I dash broken the jar. Has or have? It should be have. Neither Sheila nor I have broken the jar. Let's look at one more sentence. Neither Sheila nor I dash to be blamed. Are or am? It should be am. Neither Sheila nor I am to be blamed. Now why we have used these verbs? Let's find out. Whether subjects are joined by or nor and are not of the same person, then the verb must agree with the subject near it. तो जब दो सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं और वो ज्वाइन होते हैं और या नॉर से, और वो दोनों सब्जेक्ट सेम पर्सन के नहीं होते हैं, मतलब वो अलग अलग पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन, अलग अलग पर्सन के होते हैं, तो वर्ब जो होता है वो जिस सब्जेक्ट के पास होता है उसके साथ अग्री करना चाहिए. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, नीदर शीला नोर आई, तो आई इज़ नियर द वर्ब, सो आई के साथ क्या होना चाहिए? हैव, नॉट हैज़. सेकेंड सेंटेंस में आई के साथ कौन सा वर्ब होना चाहिए? एम, नॉट आर. राइट. तो जब दो सब्जेक्ट्स और नॉर से ज्वाइन होते हैं और सेम पर्सन के नहीं होते हैं, तो जो सब्जेक्ट वर्ब के पास होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वी यूज़ द वर्ब. नेक्स्ट, शी एंड आई डैश डूइंग द प्रोजेक्ट टुगेदर. अब यहाँ क्या है? शी और आई, दे आर जॉइंड बाय द कंजंक्शन एंड से ज्वाइन किए गए हैं. सो हियर वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ब are. We don't use am, we use are, because they have been joined by the conjunction and. So she and I are doing the project together. So when two subjects are not of the same number or person or both and are joined by and, then they take a plural verb. Same person के नहीं है या same number के नहीं है, तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? प्लूरल वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं. शी एंड आई, शी इज़ थर्ड पर्सन, आई इज़ first person. So we have used a plural verb and they have been joined together by the conjunction and. Please remember this. Next, slow and steady dash the race. Win or wins. Here we have two subjects, but they convey the same idea. That is why they take a singular verb. दो subjects हैं, joined हैं by and, पर जो वो क्या convey कर रहे हैं? Same idea. That is why we use a singular verb. Win or wins, so it should be wins. Wins is the singular verb. Slow and steady wins the race. Next, if a singular subject has each or every in front of it, then it takes a singular verb. अगर एक singular subject है और उनके सामने each लगा है या every लगा है, तो उसके साथ हम singular verb use करते हैं. For example, each member of the team dash given a token. Were or was? It should be was. Each member of the team was given a token. Was is a singular verb. Every person dash asked to be ready. Was or were? It should be was. Every person was asked to be ready. Next, subjects that are plural in form such as news, politics, economics, mathematics, but are singular in meaning take verbs that are singular. तो कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जो देख के लगता है plural है पर उनका meaning जो होता है वो singular होता है तो उनके साथ हम singular verb use करते हैं. Mathematics dash difficult for some. Are or is? It should be is. Mathematics is difficult for some. The news dash fake or not true. Are or is? It should be is. The news is fake or not true. Next, the orchestra dash playing a melodious tune. Is or are? Here we are going to use is. The orchestra is playing a melodious tune. So orchestra किसको बोलते हैं? A group of musicians जो अलग अलग इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाते हैं तो वो मिल के ऑर्केस्ट्रा बनाते हैं. तो वो सब मिल के जब एक ही ट्यून बजा रहे हैं तो हम सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे. So when a collection or group works as a whole or unanimously, then a singular verb is used. Now look at this sentence. The committee dash divided while taking the decision. Was or were? अभी हम कमेटी की बात कर रहे हैं. But जो members हैं, they did not work together as a whole. They were divided. Individually, they took the decision. So here we are going to use the verb were, a plural verb, because the members of the committee did not have the same opinion. The committee no longer worked as a whole. They were divided. Then the verb used is plural. Next, when phrases starting with, added to, together with, in addition to, as well as, or the word with are joined to a singular subject, they are usually separated by a comma. They have no effect on the verb. The verb agrees with the subject, so it is a singular verb. तो आप यहाँ जब कोई phrase किससे start होता है? Added to, as well as, with या in addition to, इस तरीके के phrases से start होता है तो और वो किसके साथ join होता है? Singular subject के साथ. और दोनों के बीच में कॉमा होता है, तो जो वर्ब है वो सब्जेक्ट के साथ अग्री करता है, इन फ्रेज के साथ नहीं. Now look at the example. The dog, comma, with its puppies, comma, dash looking for shelter. So which is the subject over here? The dog. So what should be the verb? Was or verb? Were. It should be was. The dog is singular. So with its puppies will have no effect on the verb. Meera as well as her sisters dash and applause. So what should it be? Deserve or deserves? Meera is singular, so remember the verb should be singular. Meera as well as her sisters deserves and applause. Next, when we talk about fractions, the verb is used according to the whole. 3/4 of the work dash done. Were done or was done. So the verb will be used according to the whole, that is the work. So 3/4 of the work was done. 1/3 of the students dash completed their work. Have or has? Students. Students is plural. So the verb is going to be plural. So it should be 1/3 of the students have completed their work. So viewers, that's all for today. This topic needs a lot of practice. बहुत practice की ज़रूरत है. I'll prepare MCQs on the same topic in my next video. Hope you have pressed the bell icon. आप सबने bell icon press कर रखा होगा to get the notifications. If you haven't done it, please do it now. And I'm sure you all must have subscribed to my channel, isn't it? Send your comments. Now till then, bye-bye.